Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. 2 days worth here. 2 items from charity shops in Keynsham, and that one was from a charity shop in Yates, I think. Was it? No, that was Thornbury. Yeah. I've actually got quite a few of these, not this particular brand, but I've made quite a few. I've scratch built some, as people like to say, built some from scratch. And I've got kits. I've even got quite a big bag full of ready-made ones I bought in bulk off eBay many years ago. But yeah, I'll chuck that one in the car. If we have a sunny day, we'll put it together. Next, £7, a bit more than I like to spend. Chatty Batty, as she calls herself, has been talking about liquidated stock that charity shops seem to sell nowadays. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Sort of stuff that was probably being sold on Amazon, and the sellers gone into liquidation or whatever. So the stock is being sold through charity shops. I think that's what this is. I don't think it's one that somebody has bought, decided they didn't want it, and then given it to the charity shop. So £7 on it. It is, I would say, brand new, unused. I had a look in the shop just to be sure. Test leads. Those are the banana plugs that have got a socket in the back so you can double up on them. Crocodile clips. Let's just get the name there. Surlaba. Test equipment. Evertost. Never heard of them. Made in China. Smart digital multimeter. I did notice, well, I actually looked at it. This one is supposed to be the 39C, which has DC voltage 600 millivolts up to 600 volts, AC 6 volts to 600 volts, DC current 600 milliamps to 10 amps, AC current 600 milliamps to 10 amps, resistance 600 ohm to 60 mega ohm, capacitance, so it measures capacitance, which could be handy, 9.999 microfarads to millifarads, fair enough. Temperature, it's got a temperature sensor on it. I haven't got one of them. Frequency, measures frequency. I haven't got one of them. Duty cycle, I haven't got one of them. So these were features I thought might be worth buying it just to see if I can think of anything to do with them. Display 6,000, no idea what that means. Range select auto, diode test, yes. Continuity buzzer, yes. Data hold, yes. Auto backlight, auto power off, centigrade or Fahrenheit. NCV, I don't know what NCV is. Pure RMS, no, don't know what that is. Relative value, don't know. Battery test 1.5 volt to 9 volt. Multifunctional hand strap. General features, 2 AA batteries. You can stick it on your wrist. Magnetic adsorption. Oh, must have a magnet on the back of it. We can hang it from the strap. I will have to do a separate video, I think, so we can actually try out some of the features, but we will just have a quick look at it. Another set of leads. Okay, those are ordinary probes. Looks like they've got covers on them. Yeah, they've got covers on the tips. That, I would guess, is temperature sensor. That's what that looks like. Thermocouple. A 9-volt battery. Okay. And a magnet. So why did it say AA battery? Like two AA's. Still sealed. Yeah, that is still sealed. That's unopened. Okay. 2 pages of instructions. That's a lot of information. I'm not going to do that in 5 minutes. Oh, RMS root mean squared. No, yeah. Right. Just look at that again. It definitely says 2 AA batteries. Unless it's not the one that's marked on the box. Oh, it is. It's the 39C. That's the 39C, which definitely says 2 AA batteries. Oh, we've even got a little screwdriver. Okay, I will cut this open. To even show you fitting the battery. Battery replacement. Make sure the selector's off. Open the cover with a screwdriver. Replace the old battery with the same type, 9 volts, 6F22. So despite what it says on the cardboard box, it looks like it is the 9-volt battery. Okay, that just takes that off, so that was a waste of time. Am I being silly? Oh, hang on. Let's just try turning it on. No, just in case there was already a battery in there. Okay. Right. Okay, that's off. Yeah. So why did it say 2 AA's? it was wrong. I suppose I could just check what this battery's like before we put it in. There is a video where I show this dear old thing, Radio Shack. It's good, it says. Okay, that can go in there. What's to do with a little screwdriver? Fell on the floor. I dropped the other screw on the floor. Looks like I did. Nicely done. Oh, no, we didn't. It's caught on the magnet. That's good. That was lucky. We didn't need to undo that one. But that's where the magnet would go. I just put that on the other wrong way up. Oh, it looks like the right way. Yeah. Okay. So you can stick that onto things. Now what happens if we turn it on? We do have a display. A nice big display. That'll be handy for doing videos. Not sure about the... Oh, yeah. That's the auto backlight. This could be fun. Well, we won't spend any more time on it. Got clips on there for the probes. That looks quite nice. We'll put that all back in the... I've got to try this, haven't I? Temperature sensor. We could read the instructions, but let's have a look. (19°C). Oh, what fun! Okay, let's put that away for now. So I will have to do a video trying out some of its features, won't I? Then the final thing in the charity shop, crystal radio. I've got one of those kits that do, was it 200 different circuits, and there is a crystal radio in that. In fact, I think I've got 2 or 3 of those types of kits. I was going through all the different circuits. I think that was last year. I got to about 20 or 30 or something. Didn't get all the way through the full 200. but there's videos for them. Yeah, if you're not familiar with a crystal radio, it has no battery. Antenna, germanium diode, ceramic earphone, antenna coil, and a tuning capacitor. And that's about it. Well, that is it. £2.99. It's that tow bar, I think. You can just get that label out of the way. One of the regular toy companies that I seem to get their stuff. Yeah, tow bar. Is there a date on it anywhere? Probably underneath all that lot. No, that's just the ISBN number. There might be something inside in the instructions that tell us how old it is. But yeah, I thought £2.99, that was reasonable. So that'll be another video sometime. So video for that at some time. Might even be more than one video where we try out a few of the other features. And then that one will just go in the car, and when we get a nice sunny day, I'll put it together and see if it actually flies. I've got a couple more up on the shelf. Similar. There's one of them. Western Birch Shop. £3.99. I don't think I paid £3.99 for it. There's no other price on it, but I'm pretty sure I didn't pay that for it. That looks pretty much identical when you look at that. Yeah. So, yeah, we'll give them a go at some time. Does that say what wingspan that one is? Nope. It flaps its wing as it flies. I've got a little radio-controlled one of these. 1, 2. Yeah, well, there'll be a link in the video description to my Ornithopters playlist. That'll do. Waffled on for long enough now. Gosh, 20 minutes, that's a long video. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.